Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called the Ville is Hype. It is a one wall dance. I'm gonna give you the step by step instructional. This is the tutorial. Now, if you want to dance to the music, you gotta watch till the end and click on the video. Okay? So that's me at the end. When you click on the video, it's me doing the dance with the music. Okay? So, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Want to give a shout out to each and everyone that always leave me a comment, gives me a thumbs up, and share this video. Guys, y'all keep me motivated, and I thank you and I appreciate you so much. Want to tell you that I got an exciting announcement coming up soon, so stay tuned. So are y'all ready? Let's do it. So, all right, so let's look in this direction right here because it is a one wall dance. There's no tags or changes in the dance and no bridge. But we are going to turn, okay? So, for the sake of we're dancing side to side and you're not looking back at the camera, stand on this side of the room looking in this direction. Now we're going to go side to side with our arms. So we go step out on the right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Simple enough, right? So you go right, left, right, left. So you're just switching weight from side to side. Now, that's one way to do it. The other way, you can put a little height. It's height. So you can put a little jump to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're just jumping from side to side. Okay? You decide what you want to do. So I'm going to go right, left, right, left. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a step knee and turn. So I step on my right, turn forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm making a half turn. So I step on my right and I turn forward with my left shoulder. 1, 2 with the knee. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I go back to the top, which is side to side with the arms. So let's put that together. So we're doing the same combination that I just showed you twice. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step me turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And make sure you add those arms, okay? All right, let's move forward. Now, so that we started on the right. This next part, we're going to start on the right. So we ended with that knee out. We're going to go right, left, right, pivot, pivot. Forward, quarter turn with the right shoulder coming forward. We're going to do the same thing, right, left, right, at each wall until we get back to the front. Right, left, right, pivot, pivot. And remember, bring that weight forward and bring those heels up, okay? Right, left, right again. Right, left, right, pivot, pivot. Right, left, right, pivot, pivot. Easy enough, right? So guess what? Yes! We're going to do the same thing on the left. Left, right, left, pivot, pivot, step left. Left, right, left, pivot, pivot, step left. Left, right, left, pivot, pivot, left, right, left, pivot, pivot. So you just doing one thing. So what you do on the right, you're doing on the left at all 4 walls. So let's put that together. Right, left, right. Right, left, right, pivot, pivot. 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 Left, right, left, 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 pivot, pivot. So you step the right shoulder come forward, quarter turn. When you step on the left shoulder come forward, quarter turn. You do that at each wall. All right, let's go back to the top. We're just doing, what, 3 things? Side to side, step turn with the knee, and run it up, and pivot. That's 3 things. That's it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step turn with the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right foot. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Right. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Right. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Left. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Left. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now when I do that, my weight is on the right. Okay? This is the only part of the dance that's on the left leg. You're going to do it on the front and the back wall. Across and kick. We're going to do it 3 times. But we're not going to add that kick on the last cross and kick. So left over right, cross and kick, and cross and kick, and cross. Tap. Moderate. Right. Tap left. Okay? So what we did is cross left over right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Out 8. Then we repeat the same thing on the back wall. Left over right. 1 and 2. Left 3 and 4. Right 5. Out 6. Turn 7 and 8. Step on 8, which is on your left. Again, cross the left over right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Tap 6, 7. Right shoulder come back, half turn. Out 8. And repeat it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't need to bring that out, okay? Step on 8, which is that left, okay? Let's put it together. We're almost there. Side to side with the arm. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step turn with the knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step turn with the knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Run it up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Left foot. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cross and kick. Left foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Left foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. From here, you're gonna slide up right, slide up left. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you gonna do? Come back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you slide right, tap left, left, tap right, right, left, right, left. And you're gonna shuffle up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. End of dance. My weight is on the left. I start back over. Come on, do it with me. 5, 6, 7. Let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Ooh, ooh. 1 and 2. Ooh, ooh. 1 and 2. Ooh, ooh. 1 and 2. and two. Ooh, ooh, left one and two. Ooh, ooh, left one and two. Ooh, ooh, left one and two. Cross kick, left foot, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 tap, 6 turn, 7 tap, 8 cross, 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, 5 5 6 turn, 7 8 slide, 1 2 3 4 rock, 5 6 7 8 shuffle, 1 and 2 3 and 4 rock, 5 6 7 8. Then starts over. The Ville is hyped. Take your time, put the parts together. There's no changes in the dance. And hype it up. You saw that little, did you hear the little sound effect? Ooh, ooh, we can run it up. Ooh, ooh. All right? So, check out the demo. Leave me a comment. Share this video. That is the Ville is hype. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.